If WinRAR is not working on Windows, first restart your computer to clear temporary system glitches. Many issues fix automatically after a reboot. Next, right-click and run WinRAR as administrator to avoid permission problems. Check if WinRAR is properly installed. If the app is crashing or not opening, uninstall it and reinstall it again. Make sure file associations are correct for .rar and .zip files so Windows knows to open them with WinRAR. Temporarily disable antivirus because security software can sometimes block WinRAR from running or extracting files. Update WinRAR to the latest version since older versions may not work properly on Windows 11. Check Windows updates and install any pending updates to fix compatibility issues. Try running WinRAR in compatibility mode if it still does not open. Make sure your disk has enough free space because low storage can cause extraction failures. If nothing works, reinstall WinRAR completely, or try an alternative tool like 7-zip. This will fix most WinRAR not working problems on Windows.